Guys, you can smell it. It smells so good.
Subscribe.
Wagwan peeps, we're there again today, you know? Yeah, man, we're there again. So basically, when you see Wagwan take clearly, so what you know me I do? Like this here peeps, African dish, and they call it peanut soup. But to me, I want soup because I eat it rice. You see me? So I'm gonna say fried chicken dipped in peanut sauce or something like that. You see me? So peeps, my beg you to share the video. Please share it out because I need to reach 1K. My beg you do that for me. I want you to like the video and make sure you subscribe. Fan on the new to the channel or if you're not subscribed yet. You see me? Guys, I'm not do that video down at the river. You see me? Because river dirty and every day rain fall. Some really want the rain catch me down there. Right now the sun hot. You see me? But the rain I drew a while ago. I really need to get this video done. So I just do the video here. Up here so. Now I go down the river today. Yeah man. So the next video you see, I definitely are down on the river. Yeah man, so yeah man peeps, so some chicken here going thaw out. Yeah. So by the time it's done thaw out, the rice finish cook. Guys, this is just pound chicken and also pound rice I cook, you see me? Because this peanut thing, at the first I eat it, first I try it, make it and everything there, you see me? So I don't want to do too much, I'm end up don't like it. So I'm gonna buy pound of chicken and pound of rice. Yeah man. So my throw on the rice and my peeps. So peeps, I did the coconut milk get the mix out. And if I have to cook the rice, you know, I have to make the rice well nice. Get some of this youth and forward back. And see me seasoning in here guys. You don't know say all butter, all them are gonna rice peeps. Throw looking like it. Don't join the door, you know. Put one night, man.
That high?
Yeah, man, slow, more nice here, man. Show that night, man. Show that night. Alright, hold the camera for me. So the butter. Wash off, yeah, the skillet and thyme and pepper. Yeah. So I'll make sure the rice. I have to make it nice, no peeps. One and me I use the people, the cameraman gone. Yeah, man, peeps, so I'm throwing the rice I know, you know. Throwing it on the fire. Yeah, man, that is it. So, peeps, this is one simple vegetable rice, you know. As you can see, I'm throwing the mixed vegetable, the coconut milk, and scale and thyme and pepper for flavor. You see me? So, when it start boil up, I give it about 10 minutes to already season them, just blend it together, and then I throw in the rice. Yeah, so next time you see about this, I want to throw in the rice. Yeah, man, peace, so I do the chicken now, you know? Make it go and marinate until the rice finish. Alright peeps, so let's go and marinate, you know? Alright, so by the time the rice finish cook, it's ready for fry. Peeps inside me I'm cooking so I see what can do, I'm watch rice today.
Yeah. Big up. Subscribe.
Don't waste it, you know?
No, it's it, man.
Can you think I hear share yes? More for you. Oh. Alright.
Yeah, man.
Let's see what tonight. So peeps, make sure say on subscribe to the channel because I always come with something new. Yeah man, I come something new, something mind blowing. So make sure say on subscribe to the channel and share it out. Yeah peeps, it says cloud get dark. Yeah man, I rain that. Rain soon start fall. Every evening, afternoon when fall. Yeah man guys, so my test what I'm going to feed now, you know. Feel like a cook. Yeah man, I can go and steam somewhere. Alright, get the next 5 minutes and then I try the chicken to go and fry. Yeah peeps, see rain there, you know. You see I get that now? Right now they're in a Joe. So peeps, I take off the pot now, put him back on the fire and throw on the meat pot. See me can force the rain here. Father, I go and at least an hour, I'm good. The peeps, pepper and what's something again? Pimento. Throw it in now you out.
Yeah, I get the fan. The first fry me.
My fried and cooking on the ketchup and the peanut sauce. Stop. Case, you know, peanut butter now.
Keep one. The one I yesterday. Yeah, put on the chicken also on the fire for me. I'll put on the food.
Go for chicken now, bro. So get my chicken now, make the chicken and cook down with it. Yeah.
You mean season for man? That's what I say. I cook them and hurry up and take two.
See the peeps? So I'm finished cooking now, you know? So, here's where I go and... Hey boy, I got to feel yourself, you know? Come on, lift this bit before rain burst. Yeah man, peace, so this is what we do now, you know? This is right for sleep like gravy. Guys, the rice is so nice. Ain't this the way, man? Chicken with creamy, guys. Really creamy and yeah, man, peeps. So, right, it's the end of the video, you know. My day I go home now, I beat the rain. Cause when you see what I go on, the sky dark bad so much, I beat the rain. But now I tell you like peeps, rice is nice, really enjoy the rice and thing and chicken. Very milky. Just creamy, yeah, creamy should say. I don't know say the peanut butter have this creamy thing to it. Yeah man, but still good same way, you know. But let's try it again. Now tell them let's try it again. So make sure say when you give video a like and a comment and a share. I'm say before make people know about the channel and all that. Show some other video here. Ask them if you want to hear about fried chicken cook in a peanut butter sauce. Make sure you follow the Instagram and all that. Link below. So guys, I'm catching you on this video.